Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're watching the weather right now. There is some storms in Kansas that will probably head toward Kansas City in a little bit, and Topeka and all the places near Kansas City. The storm is out in Hayes, Wichita, and all those areas. Into this flash flood watch area. They keep developing in this area. I'll be watching it very closely, giving you updates if we have to during tonight. This storm, this flash flood watch is until August 3rd, 7 a.m. So there could be flooding anytime in there, and there are a couple of flash flood warnings. But there is also a severe thunderstorm watch here in Colorado. 10 p.m. the watch is until, and there's some strong storms here. People are producing severe weather and damaging wind and hail. Main threats in May, a couple of tornadoes. So we're going to be watching this threat. So thank you everyone for watching. Like and subscribe. And if we get to 50 subscribers, we will do 3 streams a week until school starts back up. Thank you for watching, and see you guys later.